Hi viewers, welcome to the Asafoetida. Today I am going to make a sambar which is very easy to make but without sambar powder. Let us see what are the ingredients required for this. Pumpkin, red pumpkin, tomato, drumstick, onion. If you have shallots, that would be better. I don't have, so I have taken one small onion finely chopped, one arbi, that is colacasia, one green chilli, four small lady's finger, one small brinjal, then mustard seed, salt, jaggery, cumin seeds and methi seeds, coriander powder, red chilli powder, hing powder. This is Fenugreek powder, oil, and actually you require tamarind. So I am not using tamarind. In place of tamarind you can use amchur powder. I am not using that also. And in the cooker I have kept masoor dal for the oil is hot. I have taken a soapstone vessel for preparing the sambar. Now in this I am putting cumin seeds and the fenugreek seeds. When it is done, we will put the green chilli, onion in it. Saute the same. Little bit of curry leaves. At the time of tempering also we'll put curry leaves. The onion is translucent. Now we will add water in this. I have added 1 glass of water, 1 big glass of water. Now let this come to a boil. This is boiling. Now we will put the red pumpkin in it and the drumstick. Let this get cooked. Then we will add the other vegetables one by one. These vegetables are cooked half. Now we will add the colacasia, tomato, brinjal, little bit of Asafoetida, and the masala. Masala I have added water and mixed it well. Otherwise if you add it directly it will form the lumps. This is easy for making this sambar, and bachelors, of course, they don't have to search for sambar powder and all. They can make it very easily. Now this masala is coriander powder and chilli powder, then turmeric powder, salt and jaggery. Now we will cover this and cook till the vegetables are cooked nicely. Ensure that it doesn't mashed up. Now I am adding the brinjal, bhindi, that is lady's finger. And the dal also. The exact quantity I will mention in the description box. Now in between, if you wanted to add water, do not add the normal water, add hot water, because it will maintain the temperature as well as that raw taste of the water will be there. So you must always add hot water in between if you are adding. The sambar is ready. Now see, the vegetables are intact. It's not mashed up. So this is the way we want the vegetables in the sambar. Now it is ready. Now we will temper this. I have kept oil for tempering. Now a pinch of fenugreek powder. We have added the whole fenugreek in it. Just a pinch for flavor. And again little bit of Asafoetida. I always keep hot water in the flask. So if you feel that the sambar is too thick, you can add hot water in this and dilute it. That's an advantage of keeping hot water in the flask. Mustard seeds, curry leaf. Switch off the stove, and our sambar without the sambar powder is ready to serve. So I hope you liked the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. Oh, finally I forgot to say this, my favorite, the coriander leaves. I love coriander leaves a lot in the sambar rasam. I put a lot. Even I used to put the tender stems of coriander leaves like this. Just press it and put it. It will give good flavor in it. So I used to add that also. Thank you so much for watching the video.